sweet beans, I feel so loved. Look at these. Let me show you how to make these for Valentine's Day. Instead of spending money, you don't have to. This is the kind of chocolate we use, but you can use your favorite. Coarsely chop the chocolate and put it in a small pot. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Melt on low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring frequently. Hold the strawberry by the stem and dip it. Use caution though, because the chocolate is very hot. I know from experience. If the chocolate becomes too grainy, add a half a teaspoon of coconut oil. If leaves fall in the chocolate, use a fork to get them out and not your fingers. I know from experience on that too. When you're done dipping, place the chocolate-covered strawberries on a parchment-lined baking sheet and either freeze them for 10 minutes or refrigerate for about 20 minutes. If you want more recipes like these, click the video on your screen right now. Happy Valentine's Day and ciao for now. Hey Soph, do you like chocolate covered strawberries?
Well, I only like the chocolate, not the strawberries.
Hey buddy, do you like chocolate covered strawberries?
Yes.